Greetings everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland. Today we have an unboxing from Stop Diecast, right? This is going to be the first car culture mix of 2023, so I'm sure you've already seen multiple unboxings of this. It is the drawing a blank. Speed Machines. Whew. Speed Machines, right. So this is, it's got the co-mold wheels, but it's got a metal chassis, right? So everyone's up in arms that it doesn't have real riders, blah, blah, blah. So those people just don't understand what Speed Machines were, how they came about, what really made them Speed Machines, and they just want things with real riders, which sometimes is not the case, right? So anyway, sealed case. Let's see if we pull a chase. And even if we don't, no big deal, right? So we got the 911 GT3, McLaren 720S, Pagani Zonda R, the Ford GT, and the Lamborghini Veneno. So first thing up is the McLaren 720S. So as you can see, the artwork is a nice throwback to the Speed Machines artwork, right? You got the co-mold wheels. They are plastic, but you do have the metal chassis. And the tampos, the graphics, they are not factory per se, right, as you can kind of see. I guess maybe they're, whatever. They're cool though. So neat, nice orange color. Put that off to the side. Let's see what else we got. So here is the other one. Right, here's the other one. So put that off to the side. All right, next up, what do we got? Next up is Ford GT. And actually, this design is very similar to a Speed Machine 4 GT originally. Cool. Bigger wheels in the back. Nice stripe, number 4. Got the little American flag there, pretty neat. Like it. Should be going the other way. Right, the American flag should always be going, make it look like it's not retreating, so to speak. All right. Next up is probably the other Ford GT. So here we go. All right, what do we got next? Next we have the Veneno. It's got some heft to it too. So nice color. They only made 3 of these in the real world, right, I believe. And I don't know if any of them are red. Maybe they made more than 3. They didn't make a lot. Cool, like it, dig it. Nice graphics, says Veneno on the fin back there. Cool, put that off to that side. So, let's see. Next one after that is probably the other Veneno, right? Okay, next one up, pretty light. The Zonda R. Nice gray color here, or silver. It'll match the 2023 mainline nicely. That one's in white, and the recolor is going to be in blue. So very cool. Nice metal chassis. Co-molds look great in this application. You got the tampos on the back, right? Full tampos. So you got the lights, you got everything. Very nice. Okay, so here's the other Zonda. Oh, so does that mean the last but not least is going to be the Porsche? And are we going to get a chase? Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Oh, we got one left. So this is cool. So you got Porsche 75th right here. It's number 60. Full deco, right? Front and rear. Although the headlights are part of the window piece. But you do have deco on the hood. Or not the hood. I guess it's the hood. You got the emblem, right? Got the little lights there. You got the lights down there. So pretty nice. All right. You know, I'm not feeling a chase today. Yeah, I don't think so. There you go. All right. So again, Speed Machines. This is the first car culture set for 2023. Thanks for viewing. Check out my other ones, and we'll catch you on the flip side.